तो मेरे YouTube चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे महत्वपूर्ण लड़ाई जो मेडिवल इंडिया में लड़े गए थे, उसके बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे आज। तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं ड्यूरिंग द रीजन ऑफ पृथ्वीराज चौहान एंड मोहम्मद गौरी विच बैटल इज फाउट ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम। फर्स्ट बैटल इज बैटल ऑफ तराइन फाउट एट 1191 between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Gauri. In this battle, Prithviraj Chauhan is the winner. After this, second battle of Tarain. Second battle of Tarain is fought in the year 1192. This battle is also fought between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Gauri. In this battle, Muhammad Gauri defeated Prithviraj Chauhan. The effect of second battle of Tarain is Muhammad Gauri got the opportunity to enter in the land of India after second battle of Tarain, battle of Chandavar, which is fought in the year 1194. This battle is also fought between Muhammad Gauri and Jayachandra, who was the king of Kannauj at that time. Muhammad Gauri again defeated Jayachandra, and the effect of Battle of Chandavar is Muhammad Gauri further extended his empire in India by defeating a large kingdom. At that time, Kannauj is a large kingdom, and after defeating Jayachandra, Muhammad Gauri extended his empire to India. Important war fought during the region of Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Gauri. Next, during the region of Babur, we can see some important war during the region of Babur. First battle is Battle of Panipat. Battle of Panipat was fought in the year 1526, 11 April 1526. Battle of Panipat is fought between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. In this battle, Babur is the winner, and after winning this battle, Babur established Mughal Empire in India. After Battle of Panipat, second battle is Battle of Khandwa, which is fought in the year 1527, 17 March 1527, between Babur and Rana Sanga. In this, Babur is again the winner of this battle. Third battle is Battle of Chanderi, which is fought in the year 1528 between Babur and Medini Rai of Chander. In this, Babur is again the winner. Fourth battle is Battle of Ghagra or Gogara, which is fought in the year 1526 between Babur and Afghans. In this battle, Babur is the winner. These are the four important battles fought during the region of Babur. Next is during the region of Humayun and Sher Shah, some important battle is fought. First battle is Battle of Chausa, which is fought on 7 June 1539 between Sher Shah and Humayun. In this battle, Sher Shah is the winner. Second battle is Battle of Kannauj or Bilgram, which was fought in the year 1540 between Sher Shah and Humayun. And this battle again Sher Shah was the winner. And the effect of Battle of Kannauj was Agra was occupied by Sher Shah. We can see the battle during the region of Akbar. First battle is Battle for Delhi, which was fought in the year 1556 between Samrat Hemchandra Vikramaditya and Akbar. Winner is Samrat Hemchandra Vikramaditya. And the effect of Battle of Delhi was Hemu defeated the forces of Akbar and got the title of Vikramaditya of North India. Second battle is Second Battle of Panipat, which was fought on 5th November 1556. This battle was between Samrat Hemchand Vikramaditya and Akbar. In this, Akbar was the winner, and the effect of Second Battle of Panipat was Akbar occupied Delhi. Third battle is Battle of Haldighati, which was fought in the year 1576. Battle of Haldighati was fought between Akbar forces led by Man Singh first of Amber and Rana of Mewar, Maharana Pratap. In this battle, Akbar was the winner. These are the important battle fought during the region of Akbar. Some important battle fought during the region of Aurangzeb and Maratha. We can see it. First battle is Battle of Samugad, which was fought in the year 1658 between Aurangzeb and Dara Sikho. In this battle, Aurangzeb was the winner. Second battle is Third Battle of Panipat, which was fought in the year 1761 between Ahmad Shah Abdali and the Marathas. In this battle, Ahmad Shah Abdali was the winner. During the region of Vijayanagar Empire, some battle is fought. We can see it. Battle of Banihatti or Talikota, which was fought on 23rd January 1565 between Ali Adil Shah and four others and Aliya Rama Raya. In this battle, Ali Adil Shah and four others was the winner. And after this battle, Vijayanagar Empire start declining. These are some important battles fought during the medieval India region, and these are important for all examination. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.